Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fahad and today I and my fellows are here to introduce you to the three scientists of three eras. Albert Einstein said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embarrasses the entire world, simulating progress and giving birth to evolution." This is our group of three. Here I am on the top and will give intro to scientist Max Planck. And these are my fellows Muhammad Adil Mahmood and Saifur Rahman, who will introduce you to mentioned scientists. So, first of all, my name is Fahad and I am a student of third semester in ComSats Abbottabad in Computer Science Department. I also live in Abbottabad. My academic career. I studied in Army Burnhall College for Boys entirely. After my intermediate, I started bachelor's in ComSats Abbottabad campus. My hobby. I love reading books, history books, especially Islamic history. My another hobby is to learn new languages, and nowadays I am trying to master one of language. Co-curricular activities. I play all sports, but football is sport which I love to play, and I am member of a club which is associated with Pakistan Football Federation. Uniqueness. I was asked to tell about my uniqueness in academics and in daily life. In academics, my mind only captures concepts, and for daily life, my uniqueness is that I am polite and humble, as my teachers admire me for this. Goal. My ultimate goal for my life is to educate myself as much as possible and to be the best person in the eyes of my beloved ones. So now I am here to tell you briefly about scientist Max Planck, who is from third era, that is after 1900s. He was born on 23rd of April 1858 in Germany and became German physicist. In 1918, he won Nobel Prize in Physics for discovery of energy quanta. He died on 4th of October 1947. The list of his famous works is Planck's constant, Planck's postulate, Planck's law, Fokker-Planck equation, etc. He wrote many books. Some of his books are Quantum Theory, Where is Science Going, Theory of Heat Radiation, and many more. Famous quotes. His most famous quote is, "An experiment is a question which science poses to nature. A measurement is a recording of nature's answer." Impressions. Quantum of action is most important discovery, which is also known as Planck's constant. On this discovery, he won Nobel Prize. Niels Bohr and Max Planck are founding fathers of quantum theory. After some years, in 1921, Albert Einstein, considered third founder of quantum theory. Niels Bohr and Max Planck are the first two fathers of quantum theory. For me, this theory is base for modern physics of quantum. Thanks. Goodbye. Now I invite my other fellows to continue the presentation.
My name is Safurman. I am from Ahmedabad, Malikpura, I'm academic. I have done my matric before high school, Ahmedabad, and also done my FSC, Army Public School, Ahmedabad, and now I am studying Bachelor of Computer Science, ComScience, Ahmedabad, in third semester. My hobbies: programming, searching about nature, and other activities, sports, cricket. My uniqueness: polite, and other activities and goal: person famous for analytical skill. Today my topic is the great philosopher Aristotle. Aristotle was a Greek philosopher. He was born 384 BC in Stigro and died in 332 BC. Aristotle's famous work is Nicomachean Ethics, Politics, Metaphysics, Poetics on the Sao de Anima. And the Aristotle famous books: The Politics of Aristotle, Ethics with Aristotle, The Lagoon, Aristotle's Children, and famous cures. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act but a habit. The number one, two is the whole is more than the sum of its parts. The number three is it is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum. Starting with the name of Allah who is most merciful and beneficent. The scientist thinker whom I am presenting today is Alessandro Volta. But before continuing, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Adil Mahmood and I am from Sargodha. I am studying BCS from Comsat University Islamabad, Ahmedabad campus with the great people of BCS 3A. I got my early education from Fazaya College, Sargodha, and then went to Superior College for the intermediate studies. I have studied computer science in inter level. As my hobbies, I do enjoy a lot to do painting and sketching few hours a day. We all have many goals for the future, but my most prominent goal is to be a humble person. With this, I really need to be more responsible toward my work. Also need to develop the nature of admitting the cons in myself and try to avoid those as much as possible. Now I think that this is enough for my introduction. We should now move towards our Alessandro Volta. Alessandro Volta was an Italian physicist born in Como Lombardy and region of Italy. He was born on 18th February 1745 and after living the life in the love of physics and making great discoveries, he died on 5 March 1827. The famous discoveries or inventions of Alessandro Volta were hydrogen lamp, voltaic pile or also known as the voltaic column. He invented voltaic pile in year 1800. He also discovered isolated methane gas and electrophorus. Methane gas is found in Earth's atmosphere and used widely as the fuel and also as a flammable gas. Methane gas is made up of 4 hydrogen atoms and 1 carbon atom. Alessandro's interests were in electricity, which results in the improvement of the electrophorus. An electrophorus is a device to generate static electricity. After the discovery of his friend Luigi Galvani on animal electricity due to metals, he found few doubts and began experimenting his friend's proposals, and later these researches helped him in inventing voltaic pile. The main discovery of the Alessandro was of course voltaic pile. He then gave his demonstration of the battery in front of Napoleon, who made volta a count. A volta is a unit of the electromotive force that drives current. Senator of Kingdom Lombardy and Australian Emperor Francis I made him director of the philosophical faculty at the University of Padua in 1815. The vault was named in the honor in year 1881 and he is known and remembered as Alessandro Volta. Alessandro Volta has written books as well. Two of them are The Essential Volta, The Identity of the Electric Fluid with the so-called galvanic fluid, and the electricity excited by the mere contact of conducting substances of different kinds. His famous quote is, "You must be ready to give up even the most attractive idea when experiment shows them to be wrong." Through his word, it is obvious that he was influenced by the practical more than the thoughts. At the time of the voltaic pile's invention in 1800, it was the first electric battery. The major contribution of the voltaic pile is that within the 6 weeks of the Volta's announcement, English scientists William Nicholson and Antony Clalilsi used a voltaic pile to decompose water into hydrogen and oxygen, thus discovering electrolysis, how electric current leads to chemical reaction, and creating a field of the electrochemistry. Hence, electrochemistry is somehow associated with Volta's invention. That's all from me. Thank you so much for listening.
Here is the presentation of our group. Now, thank you all for watching this and please supporting us. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.